The nice weather is coming to a quick end with strong storms heading our way this evening. We're checking in with meteorologist Justin Esterly, who is tracking these storms. Justin.
Hey, good evening, Marvin. Yeah, it's an active scene on radar right now. Lots of severe weather approaching Kentucky, with some in far western Kentucky as well. Earlier today, we saw some tornado damage here in the state. Outside of places like Trimble County, we had some tornadic activity, confirmed tornadoes, low-end EF1, high-end EF1, low-end EF2 damage being reported. The National Weather Service out there still surveying that. Of course, they'll get back out there tomorrow to get the final results on that system. As we continue to track what's coming in across the wire tonight, we've got severe weather surrounding our region currently, all the way from northern Ohio down through what we're going to see all the way to Texas. But here, it's important to note that we've got those strong storms already cruising into western Kentucky, and that's something we're going to keep a close eye on, of course, as we head through the rest of this evening. It's going to be a track it as it comes in type situation, because this line that is near Evansville right now is strengthening. Tornado warning confirmed too. On top of it, I would expect to see, with all of this thunderstorm activity out ahead of this main line developing now, we will probably get a watch expanded somewhere in here over the course of the next half hour, if not sooner. I would anticipate that those storms will continue to be a threat for us here as we go through it. Let me just show you what we're expecting the rest of tonight. That severe weather outlook looks something like this, weakening as it comes in. So as it makes it to central Kentucky, we're in a level 1 out of 5 risk for isolated severe weather, but that doesn't mean that large hail, gusty, damaging winds, and the chance for a brief spin up can be ruled out. So chance that we still see those as we head into the rest of this evening. So we're going to continue to see how that plays out. Just a quick view of Futurecast has some of this rolling in for us closer to midnight as it continues to expand into the area after midnight through 2, 3, 4 a.m. The potential for severe weather is still there. I'm going to be tracking this live the rest of this evening. Meteorologist Chris Johnson is going to be joining me very early tomorrow morning as we trade off. For now, I'll have more details coming up in the full forecast.